quick video on the advanced influencer search. So let's head over to Discovery and take a look at the different metrics we have. So to filter a search, first of all, you can search by a popular hashtag that particular influencer is commonly using. So that's one way to filter the results. You also have countries, specific cities within those countries. You have reach ranges, so you can have all the way from the smaller ones 0 to 50 to 1 million plus and all the way in between. And if those ranges don't suit you, then you can also of course put your custom minimum value and maximum value there. Next along is the age, so you have some groupings here from 13 to 18 all the way from 41 plus, which is pretty comprehensive for social media. You then have the gender, so you can have all female or male. Next along you have the category, so here you can choose between the social media categories, for instance Instagram categories, and finally the credibility percentage from a minimum of 90%, or you can drop that down all the way to 10%.